This is part 3 of our FMCG series. In this video, we are going to analyze the brands. In everyday life, we'll be using some of the particular brands of FMCG products. But many of us will not know this particular brand, what you are using is belong to which company. So in this video, we are going to analyze the brand as well as the technicals. This is daily chart of Nifty FMCG. Even the triangular pattern is broken here and it is going upward direction. Afterwards, it is inside this rectangular box. It's fully inside. So again it has to break and it has to move upward direction. Then we can enter in many of the FMCG stocks. First stock is Marico. How many of you surprised to know Parachute is from Marico? Please mention in the comment section, because almost every home you will find this blue color bottle, coconut oil bottle. But how many of us know this Parachute belongs to Marico? And Saffola oil, cooking oil. Many people are using this oil, but you just ask any of your family member who is using this oil, this brand Saffola oil is from which company? 100% they will not know. You check. And this is daily chart of Marico. First target we have given 531. 531 we have given, it was achieved. Then price is retesting here. You see here, after this bullish candle, price is retesting. Then it is taking rest in this level 519. Then price will go upward direction. We'll wait and watch. Our next stock is Dabur. In olden days, we might have seen the TV advertisements about Dabur products. Dabur Honey, Dabur Amla, Dabur Vatika. They use the company name along with the brand name. That is a good strategy. I don't know why other companies are not following this. But in some of the products from Dabur, they are not using the company name. Say for example, Odomas. They tell only Odomas. They don't tell Dabur Odomas. Any of your friends, if you ask, Odomas is from which company? They will tell it is Odomas. Odomas is the brand name, belongs to Dabur. This is monthly chart of Dabur. Last week the channel was not broken and all-time high also it was not hit. So this is the cup and handle pattern we have mentioned in the last video, but breakout didn't happen. 1st of July, after the price retested here in this area, you can see we have got very good bullish candle here. It is a good sign. Price will move in the upward direction. This is a target level. Let us try and understand how to fix the target level for this cup and handle pattern. See, I have taken the measurement of this cup. How depth it went inside, that could be your measurement level, this level. The same measurement I have plotted here. So this could be our target. 640. 640 is our target. Maybe I'll try to give next week in between targets here, here, here. So we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4 targets. I'll try to give next week. Our next stock is Emami. Emami is also one of the top brand in FMCG. Many people will be using Zendu Bomb, but We may not know Jendu Balm is from which company. Surprisingly, it is from Imami. Aaron and some from which company? This is also from Imami. This is Imami's daily chart. Even price has come out from this triangular pattern. I'm not satisfied with these two candles. After this bullish candle, we have got two candles here. These two candles are not supporting actually for the price to move upward direction. We need to candle comes here. Price may retest. It will come this level. Then it will go upward direction. Our next stock is Hindustan Unilever. You will be wondering to know all these products are from Hindustan Unilever. Dove soap, Fair and Lovely, Pearls, Lux, Pond's, Axe, Comfort, NARS soap, Hammam soap, Rexona, Huggies, Wheel, Sunlight, Rin, Lifebuoy, etc., so on, etc. But the list is extending. Hindustan Unilever also had a cup and handle pattern last week. Even in the last video itself we have mentioned, but breakout didn't happen. So we'll wait and watch. Our next stock is Tata Consumer Products. I personally have not noticed many good products from Tata in this FMCG segment, except this Tata Salt, Deadly Tea. But you may be having experienced using any other good brands of Tata. You can mention in the comment section. This is daily chart of Tata Consumer Products. You can see this price is completely inside. It is full congestion here. Price is getting compressed. It is thinking whether to go up or down. Even after breaking this level, price it may go in this way, straight bullish candles, or otherwise we may get one bullish candle and it will come down, retest. It will go in this way, or otherwise if it is not able to break, price will come down. We may have to wait and watch. If you have not watched earlier two videos, I am giving the link in the description. Please watch.